we have a new high. Not yet. Not yet. Maybe today. Hopefully soon. But not yet. Nifty is up 35 points. The breath, I think, is absolutely charged up. Wonderful market breath. And then let's look at some stocks now, which were occupying all the limelight. You want to start with Reliance, you want to start with the banks, you want to start with NBFCs. Reliance has to participate, which it has not. SBI has to participate, which it has not. iShare 28 rupees higher, Dr. Reddy higher, L&T higher, and then UPL also seems to be, seems to be moving in the right direction. So it's a good start, but all-time high, another 50 points more.
Almost there. We'll make it sooner than later. A couple of stocks, like Nikunj highlighted, the bull market is actually in the broader markets right now. So let's see what Titagarh Wagons, by the way, which is going to be called Titagarh Rail. We're going to be chatting as well with the management today shortly. Antique has initiated a buy, target price of 694. And it is these pockets, your railways, defense, that's where you're seeing the bull market actually take place. Manappuram Finance as well, a bit of a relief. The FIR against the promoter has been now quashed by the Kerala High Court. So that stock must be seeing some relief, holding up 2% as we speak. Moil, which is now guiding over 20% volume CAGR over FY 23 to 25. That's going to be another stock in focus. And then Skipper, which is bagged orders worth about 1135 crore rupees. That's another stock which is in focus. Hero MotoCorp, they've received a communication from MCA to submit information. That is acting as a bit of an overhang there. HAL, by the way, has turned out to be, or rather L&T, I stand corrected here. L&T has stood to be the lowest bidder for the bullet train project, and this is a sizable one. 15,697 crore rupees is what we're talking about. L&T as well has been a rank outperformer year to date. HAL, the deal, it seems that between GE and the company will entail an 80% transfer of jet engine technology by value. And, most of the news reports seem to be indicating that a deal between HAL and GE is very much under place. So Hindustan Aeronautics will just come a few on your screens. ONGC, let's see what that stock is doing. Remember, crude continues to be buoyant, and it's hovering around those $76 per barrel levels on the Brent, and the windfall tax continues to be nil. So ONGC not really seeing much of a positive reaction, but the stock is mildly in the green. DRSL as well, there's been an EIR with a VAI status for the CTO3 Hyderabad API formulation unit. That stock is gapped up about almost 2% as we speak right now. And then, of course, RPG Life, they're looking at acquiring some of the brands to strengthen chronic as well as specialty presence of theirs. So these are a couple of stocks which are in focus. Look out for Havells as well. The shareholders have now raised concerns over the proposed remuneration to the CMD. So that stock is a little bit lukewarm in trade. What about the big buzzers from Friday? Let's see what HDFC Life, SBI Life, Bajaj Finance, etc. are doing, and whether or not that kind of momentum is sticking by within HDFC Life and SBI Life especially. Seems like headed in for a pause and some sort of consolidation, much like the index. Kunal, it seems like it's going to test our patience. I mean, we're optically almost there, but
yeah, I think it's
taking some time.
It should be just a matter of time, Aisha. I think maybe in the next hour or so, we should be hitting back the
That's
life
just one
highs.
trade from you, right?
So yeah, on the markets, it
Do
looks
you
very...
answer that question? You don't answer that question.
Yeah, I chose not to answer.
Why?
No, so I think on the index, I think it's a good recovery for the index because many large cap names have started to participate. In fact, I was looking at the screen and HDFC Bank, HDFC Limited, Reliance Industries, SBI, many of these large cap names which were erstwhile a bit underperforming. I think these stocks have made a very good comeback for themselves. So I think that's one of the reasons why I would be more bullish on the index today. Reliance is a stock which I would look to trade in the open. That's a stock which I believe has already gained 3 or 4 days of consecutive mild price uptrend, but should see a more stronger follow through over the next couple of days.
Okay.
9 points away. 9 points away from an all-time high. 9 points away. Nuresh, 9 points away from an all-time high.
I think we should hit that today itself and maybe go towards 18,900 plus levels. So the view is positive. If you look at the broader indices, we've already hit another new all-time high, and this has continued for the last few sessions. So 10 points, maybe we have another 100, 200 points to go here.